Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the GM Big Block. This is the 454 7.4 liter. It's going to go into your GM trucks and your 3/4 ton SUVs. Alaina's going to tell us something about what we have to offer.
So this is an 8-cylinder engine with each cylinder being fed by 2 hydraulic roller cams. It does also feature a multi-port fuel injection system, and it is a cast iron block as well as cast iron heads. Now, as you may notice, this is a very fully dressed engine, and we do want to note not all of our engines with this particular application will be this fully dressed. So we always recommend to call your drivetrain genius and ask what will be included with your engine.
So if you have any questions about the 454, give us a call at 888-842-0023. We'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have.